Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome to Learn English with Jessica. Want to boost your vocabulary, improve your listening, and speak English naturally? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore powerful learning tips to help you understand and use English with ease. Part 1. Listening Practice. Finally done. This weekend, I'm staying far away from emails. I really need this break. Sarah, wait a second. I need to talk to you. Something urgent just came up. Is everything okay? We just got feedback from the client. They're not happy with the current campaign plan. They want major revisions, and they want it done before Monday. What? It's already Friday evening. That's a really tight deadline. But we have no choice. But I already have plans with my family this weekend. I've been working overtime for the past 2 weeks. I need some rest, sir. I know, and I wouldn't ask if it wasn't important. But the changes are big and they can't wait. I need you to stay tonight and work over the weekend to get this done. I understand it's urgent, but I am exhausted. I've been staying late almost every night. I haven't had a proper break in weeks. I get that, but this campaign is critical. If we miss the deadline, we risk losing the client. The team's counting on you. You're the only one who knows the full structure of the content. That's exactly why I need a break. If I keep pushing like this, I'll burn out, and then I won't be able to help it all. Come on, Sarah. Everyone on the team's stepping up. I thought I could count on you too. Sometimes being dedicated means going the extra mile, even when it's tough. I have gone the extra mile again and again. For the last 2 weeks, I've sacrificed dinners, sleep, and my weekends. I care about this job, but I also have a life outside of work. Look, I know it's a big ask. If it helps, I'll make sure you get paid extra for your overtime. I'm giving you 1 extra day off next week, so you'll have 3 days off instead of just the usual weekend. And you'll still get paid for the day off. I appreciate that, but this isn't about money. Time with my family is something I can't buy back. We planned this weekend weeks ago. They've been waiting for me just like this company has. I'm just saying, refusing this could reflect poorly on your performance. It might even affect your promotion prospects. With all due respect, sir, that's not fair. It's after working hours, and this task wasn't part of the agreed schedule. You can't expect people to drop everything every time there's a surprise. That's not sustainable leadership. A burned-out employee won't help the company grow. So, are you saying no? Yes, I'm saying no. Politely, but firmly. I'll be back Monday morning and make this project my top priority, but I won't cancel my weekend again. Do you have any suggestions on what we should do? I think we should ask the client for an extension. Tell them we want to ensure quality work and we need until Tuesday or Wednesday. I have to go now since my official working hours are done. Okay, I'll try to push for an extension, but this can't keep happening. I completely agree. Maybe we can plan timelines better in the future so we're not always scrambling at the last minute. I'm always willing to give my best, but not at the cost of my health and personal life. All right, I'll keep them updated on this. Have a good weekend. You too, sir. And thanks for understanding. Perhaps I should review my management approach. All right, I'll consider how I can plan projects to avoid last-minute crises in the future.